Beautiful people, it's me, Pamela, on my YouTube. Cho, no, what's the tea? Siyahlazia.
Hey guys, let's just unpack nje on the comments and everything that's going on with that case Sasenzo. Oh my gosh, I'm just like Konote. Oh, I laughed so hard. I was actually on the floor, literally. What's him? So this Lungo will come and tell the truth of some sorts. I'm just like, please, the person is not even there for that. Loya Muntu, there was no one at Legal Aid. They were just like, bruh, can you just go and cover this for us? Oh, I laughed. And then bese kuzoba ama-comments. Ama-comments, I have no control over comments, but you've seen over the years, I will do them maybe like once or twice a month. I'll tell you about the comments. Since the court is actually coming back on Tuesday, so akhona ama-comments. Ukhona omunye othe Judge Rat is an old crook. You can see ukuthi he's getting bribes. I'm just like, what am I doing? I didn't say that. Yeah, so but abantu uJudge Rat is rogue. Besides that whole thing yokuthi bias, we are so over that one. Anyways. And there's something that I didn't realize, because now I had a comment this week, 80. Senzo's anomuntu okhonishwa ngesiZulu wathi bekuhleliwe. Kwakuhleliwe. Uyabona manje ukuthi at some stage it's gonna look like it was premeditated. You understand? Because people just don't want to take accountability. The people who were in the house. It's just like, what is your problem? Why can't you just come forward and be like, oh no, we are tired. We also want to have gigs. So yeah, this is what happened to him. Like guys, it's just so crazy what happened to Senzo. People just don't want to come forward. And be like, you know what, we are sorry, Senzo's mom. This is what happened. Because guys, they were there at the end of the day. That will never change. No intruders came into that house. Like how can in that will gaslight us as South Africans and be like, oh no, even South Africans are amazing. There were intruders in that house. I don't know where South Africans get that theory from. Uguti, there were no intruders. Like, Guys, please comment and tell me what do you think is Brigadier Kininda Zulu? Because remember there was that problem where Msholo was like, no, he's not Zulu. And then this whole story. Yaka. Why was Yaka interpreting for Brigadier Bongani Kininda when he was speaking English, Brigadier Kininda, and Ukaniselani says he was speaking in English and Uyaka was interpreting? Why is he interpreting? Why can't he speak Zulu to Ukaniselani if he was Zulu? And then there was another rumor around March when they had said to Brigadier Kininda, actually, he's from Swaziland. Don't know if you remember that. Just let me know what you think about that. Because I think he can speak Zulu, but he's not Zulu. That's what Msholo said. Msholo was like, no, he could never. He's not Zulu. So I talk about Brigadier Kininda because also he lies a lot. So you just feel like you don't know anymore about him. What's the truth? What's not the truth? Where is he? What's not the truth? Where is he from?
Umsolo ukuthi ke yena umsolo wesine akakazeke Albert noma ke ayeke lana ubhaleke eMbusothweni hostel la ahlangana khona ke nomunye wofakazi ufakazi ke wombuso uConstable Zungu la ekunensolo khona ke ukuthi ke wahlangana noConstable Zungu nge-26 kaOctober 2014.
And in my question then was to say, accused number 4 said he has never been to Baswitini hostel at a time.
Manje ke mina ke ebengikubuza kona ke bekuwukuthi ke ngenkulumo yakhe ke umsolo wesine uthi yena akaze aye eBasuthu hostel ngaleso sikhathi leso.
Where he met the witness Mr. Constable Zungu on the 26th of October 2014.
La ahlangana khona ke nofakazi uConstable Zungu ngazo i-26 kaOctober 2014.
Choose number 4 mina ngimazela hostel ngo-2013 2012 hayi 2014 ngasesejele ngimazela.
I know accused number 4 from the hostel, or by seeing him at the hostel between 2012 2013 and not 2014. 2014 I was already in custody.
Thank you. We'll leave it there. Now say you testified that you made a statement.
wethule ubufakazi-ke ukuthi-ke unestatement owasenza.
Yebo.
Yes.
Thank you. And then you said it was at the time when you were at Kalakabusha Correctional Facility, correct?
Kushilo-ke nokuthi lokho kwenzeka-ke ngesikhathi wawusesejele laseKalakabusha.
Yebo.
Yes.
And the statement was reduced to writing.
Nokuthi sabhalwa phansi.
Yebo.
Yes.
Furthermore, Brigadier Gininda also testified that they took a statement from yourself.
Naye-ke uBrigadier Gininda wethule ubufakazi-ke kuyona le nkantolo ukuthi-ke banestatement abasithatha kuwena.
Yebo.
Yes.
And at this stage, can you also confirm that your full name is Tiniselani Beki Kuthintwa Buthelezi?
Ungaqinisekisa ukuthi amagama akho aphelele uqiniselane Bheki Kuthintwa Buthelezi.
Yebo.
Yes.
And then you were born in 1986,
Okay, what's
August
that?
6.
Wazalwa nge-6 August 1986.
Yebo.
Yes.
And then you also confirmed that you also signed the statement.
Uyaqinisekisa nokuthi wasayina futhi.
Yebo.
Yes.
And then your ID number is also on the statement. I want to read it just for your security.
Inamba yakho-ke yomazisi ibhaliwe-ke napha ngeke ngiyifundeke nayo ngokuvikeleka nje kwakho-ke noma ukuhlanganisa nokuvikeleka kwakho. Yes.
And then I want to then show you a document at the stage. It's in the original. Can you see that document?
Uyabona?
Yebo.
Yes.
Do you recognize the signature at the bottom of the statement?
Yebo.
Yes.
Is that your signature?
Yakho.
Yebo.
Yes.
And then on the next page of the statement, there's also a signature. Do you see that signature?
Yebo.
Yes.
And then there's also a date just above your signature.
Date night.
19 enyangeni ka-8 2020.
1908-2020.
And the time.
Ngesikhathi
8 o'clock.
8 o'clock.
And then there's also a signature at the bottom of the statement.
Yes, only this.
Yebo.
Yes.
And then there is a signature of Brigadier Gininda.
Brigadier Gininda.
Okay.
Okay.
And you said this statement was taken from you at the time you were at Kalakabusha prison, correct?
Kushilo ukuthi-ke sathatha kona-ke ngesikhathi wawuseseKalakabusha.
Yebo.
Yes.
And this statement was taken by Brigadier Gininda.
Ukuthi-ke sabhalwa uBrigadier Gininda.
Angeke ngiqinisekise kodwa Gininda yona ngakhuluma naye sasibhala umuntu wayahamba naye.
I wouldn't be certain, but at the time when Gininda was talking, someone else was writing who was with him.
But as an officer of this court, now I know that this handwriting is the handwriting of Brigadier Gininda.
Manje-ke nanjengomuntu-ke osebenza-ke kule nkantolo noma ukhona-ke kule sengiyazi-ke manje ukuthi isandla lesi esikaBrigadier Gininda.
All right.
Alright.
And then you also confirmed that this is your signature as well.
Nawe uyaqinisekisa ukuthi nguwena wasayina lapha.
Yebo.
Yes.
There's one on the first page and there's the signature also on the second page.
Nesignature lana wasayina futhi nalana futhi.
Yes.
Yes.
And the statement was duly commissioned.
Okay. Nokuthi-ke base beka-ke noma-ke besayinda-ke ngokwasemaphoyiseni ngipheceleziko lebo bathi kubona-ke ucommissioner.
All right.
Right.
And then it says it was done so in his presence, Brigadier Gininda at Kalakabusha prison in Pangini.
Uyasho-ke lana-ke uBrigadier Gininda ukuthi lokho kwenzeka-ke ekhona yena ejele-ke eKalakabusha eMpangeni.
And the date there that is appearing is 2020-08-19 at 20.
Nayi-ke i-date i-19 August 2020 isikhathi u-8.
Thank you. And then it was also your testimony that this document was never read back to you.
Kushilo-ke ubufakazi bakho ukuthi-ke abakaze bakufundele ukuthi umva ukuthi beqedile ukubhala abazange bakufundele.
Yebo.
Yes.
In what language were you communicating with Brigadier Gininda as well as the people that he was with?
Manje-ke wena naye uBrigadier Gininda kanye nabantu-ke aye nabo iliphi ulimi enanikhuluma ngalo?
Ngangikhuluma isiZulu mina.
I was conversing in isiZulu.
And then Brigadier Gininda?
Gininda yena.
Hey, sanoma wayekhuluma isiNgisi.
I think he was conversing in English. I'm not certain.
So how did you manage to communicate with him?
Manje ke kwenzeka kanjani ke ukuthi ke nikwazile ukuthi ke niswane.
Sasilekelela umphathi jele uYaka.
Yaka, the prison head, was assisting us.
So as Brigadier Gininda was asking you questions, Yaka would act as a translator?
Wayethi kumugini ngebuza abe uyaka yena ke sebeyatolika ke. Yes.
So Yaka can also attest to what was being written on this statement.
Manje ke uyaka lokho kubhaliwe lana naye angaqinisekisa noma angakufakazela lokho kubhaliwe lana.
Yeah.
Yes.
Thank you. My lord, at this stage, the state begs leave from the court to then confront this witness with the contents of the statement that he signed, commissioned in his presence, interpreted by Mr. Yaka.